Do you want to write and publish a book? We've got the perfect workshop for you. The Find Your Voice Writing Workshop is a 5-hour course led by author Paula L. Jones. As a writer with a background in television news, Jones has published over 20 novels, written, produced, and directed for television and online consumption. She designed the Find Your Voice Writing Workshop to teach new writers how to complete and self-publish their first book. During the seminar, she'll cover the ins and outs of character development, world building, crafting dialogue, and story structure. New writers will also learn tips on building a fan base, as well as the basics of marketing and advertising for authors. In addition to this, writers who want to self-publish their first book will be able to do so by the end of the program, as Jones will walk them through the process of uploading their short stories to Amazon. This 5-hour workshop will provide valuable information to jumpstart a writing career. One in-person ticket is only $2.99. Pre-registration is required. Register today at findyourvoiceworkshop.weebly.com. We'll see you there.